I'm going to demonstrate the GPS service I've been working on for MyRobotLab. Right now it's pretty bare. It can only handle GPGGA strings, and the reason is because I'm trying to support that in my simulator, and that's the only one that I really am working with there. So I need a standard GPS service that will work with both hardware and my simulator in the same fashion. So this is MyRobotLab with a GPS service running. All it will show is the string type, the current latitude, the current longitude, and the current altitude. Again, taken from a GPGGA string, as that's the only one supported right now. I have an actual module here. It is the San Jose Navigation FVM8. So I'm going to start it up and see if I could focus here. Okay. Start it up and see what the values look like. So what I'm going to do is open a Python window here. I've got a script written that, if I could zoom in, focus a little. I start a service called GPS1. It's connected to the TTY USB 1 port, and then I just add a listener to the published GGA data method in the GPS service. And whenever that gets called, it's basically going to perform this action, which is kind of outdated. Basically, it just prints the latitude, longitude, and altitude in the Python window here, but since I got the GUI working, there's really no need for it. So I'm going to start it. The Python should tell me when it's ready to receive data. And now I'm going to plug in my GPS unit. It takes it a little while. And you can see it updates the data. Now, this was a cold start for my GPS unit, and with this particular one it's fairly old. It takes it a long time to connect to enough satellites to get an actual fix, but even the garbage that it's printing out now is correctly formatted. So we've got GPGGA strings, the latitude is garbage, the longitude is garbage, and the altitude is also garbage, but I have this updates every time about 1 hertz, I believe it is, maybe a little quicker than that. I can't remember what this GPS module is set to, but it updates every time the GPS updates. So I can't highlight anything because it gets overwritten before I can do anything with it. Also, if we look at, I just killed it, if we look at the GPGGA raw string that gets separated out, as I said, it's actually formatted correctly. There's the string, and I split it out here, so I parse it to get the values, and those are the values that are used in the GPS GUI.